Alright, I was gonna show you how to run the casting. But for all your rednecks out there, I gotta show you this. When I first started my worm bed, I had a little old piece of 4x4 with a little piece of string in the bottom. And I'd put the castings and I'd shake it. Castings and I'd shake it. And I said, there gotta be a better way than this. So I got me a 5-gallon bucket. Actually, 2 of them. Cut it, and I cut it. I took, this is all scrap, by the way, people. I had all this old screen wire and rabbit wire. This old pieces of, notice how it just stuck together and got screws in it. And look, you take your little scoop and you dump that right in there like that. And you stand here and say, I'm not shaking a thing. Now look at that fine cast.
The best thing is everything comes out at the end down here. The worms come out and everything that is not broken down falls back into the 5-gallon bucket you see at the end down here.
And goes right back into the worm bin.
And then he's got 2 types of casting going on here. So this is your fine. I mean, like, look at this, folks. Hold on. Look how beautiful that is, right? That's like premium grade worm castings. Then when you come down a little further, it's still worm castings, but it's still, you can see that it's not fully, right. And then the bigger pieces and the worms go out at the end.
This little clay toy right here, it took me about 2 hours to build it. And I'll tell you what, I wouldn't even want to guess how many hundreds of pounds of castings is into it. Look.
Thousands at this point. This has been used now for 5 years between you and me. So you're talking thousands of pounds of castings.
And the thing is, if you go back on my playlist, I got 2 or 3 videos on how to build these. They don't have to be this big. But I found out this big will give you your fine castings and your heavy castings in one run. You can build, you can build 2 short ones for the fine and run it again for the heavy. But like this, one run.
One run.
And people, you can sell this stuff. This stuff sells mighty fast. It works wonders in the garden. All right.